It's a little deep right here. So welcome again to Lewis Lifestyle. I'm here up in Rockville. This is a trail, and we have our stream running against the trail here, and I think it's a beautiful and quiet place to, relax from stress. Just sit down, listen to the sound of the water and the birds, listen to nature. When you live in the cities, a lot of pollution, cars, everything, So when you're out here, it's very good for your health. Yes, so let us show you guys around. So welcome, Lewis Lifestyle. Please share, like, subscribe. Yeah, as I go along. See right here, beautiful stream here. I have my shoes on. I can't have to just sidestep, seeing it. I don't want to. Yeah, you have a lot of fish in the water here too, but them is not big, some small fish in the water. So these, when the time is hot, this is the scene where the deer them hang out and come down and drink them water. Yeah, so it's beautiful, nice, quiet. You can see in the water here a school of fish right there. Let me see if I can get it up. You guys can't see the school of fish right there. So as I go along, there's the sea down there, and the river go all along down there. All along is water. Yeah. So all along is water. So we can walk on the stream. Hope I don't slip and break my phone. Yeah, so the stream. Look up there. This is in Rockville, Maryland. Yeah, nature is best. So I'm going to step on here. So as I walk along the side, yeah, as I say, from last week, it is very hot. It's like my foot sweating inside my pants here. Sweaty. Yeah, this is a nice stream here. So nice stream. This is nature right here. Just listen to the sound of the water. Nice. Good.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. A as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I'm just chatting to true nature. It's kind of hard around here because of the bug them. A lot of bugs. Yeah. But this is where I'm walking most of the deer tracks I'm using. Yeah. So down here again. Yeah. So okay, let me see if I can go through here. It looks like I can go through here. I'll try. These bugs and all of these bushes and scratch a lot. So see if I can go through here and get back on track. Yeah. So guys, let me think, in the comment section what you think about Maryland and these trail and stream. We also have a lot of park. Put what you're thinking below in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about the trail and the park that I'm visiting daily. So I want to compare, because we have a lot of beautiful trail in Maryland here. I do not live any other state but Maryland, so I have to show the beauty of Maryland. So let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to go through here and get back the trail around here. Yeah. Got these squirrels. You can see them running down there each other. Yeah.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Yeah. I think I'm going to pause the video a little until I get on the other side to continue the video. But as I say, it's beautiful. Beautiful trail we have up here. Yeah. Yeah, this is our next side of the trail. Next scene. Over there. So you have this stream here run all the way, you know, through the trail here. All the way. You like probably pass over this stream like 3 or 4 times before you finish walking. Yeah, it's very hot out here. Heading up on the trail here.
Two hearts running wild.